All right, let's get right into it. Today, we are diving deep into a platform that's looking to totally redefine the marketing workflow, Adobe GenStudio. If you're in the creative or marketing space, you know the drill. You're under constant pressure to create more content for more channels and faster than ever before. So we're going to break down exactly how GenStudio promises to fix that whole mess. This quote from Adobe's own brand team, it just hits the nail on the head, doesn't it? It's not just about cranking out more stuff. It's about the very real human cost of trying to keep up with that demand. That feeling of burnout is real. The constant need for personalized content, the insane deadlines, it stretches even the best teams to their absolute breaking point. And that's the core challenge GenStudio was really built to tackle.
Okay, so here's our game plan. We're going to start with what we're calling the modern content crisis. Then we'll introduce GenStudio as the solution. After that, we'll pop the hood and see what makes its engine run, walk through a real-life workflow, see how it uses data to get smarter, and finally, we'll look ahead at what this all means for the future of marketing.
So first up, let's really dig into the problem itself. Because the challenge of scale, well, it isn't just about making more content. It's about trying to navigate this crazy complex world of different channels, different audiences, and a million performance metrics, all while somehow keeping your brand voice consistent.
I mean, this is the daily grind for so many teams, right? You've got marketing over here demanding endless A/B test variations. You've got the creative team building assets in one set of tools, while the campaign managers are living in a completely different ecosystem. It's a recipe for chaos. Version control becomes a nightmare, approvals get bogged down, and worst of all, your brand's voice gets totally fractured.
So how in the world do you fix a system that's so broken and high pressure? Well, Adobe's answer is GenStudio. It's a platform they've designed to unify this entire process, what they call the content supply chain.
And let's be clear, this isn't just another creative gadget. Adobe is framing this as a performance marketing engine. It's built from the ground up with generative AI at its core, and is designed to manage the entire lifecycle of your content. We're talking from the very first spark of an idea all the way through creation, personalization, pushing it live on different platforms, and then analyzing the results. It connects every single step.
To really get how it does all this, we need to look under the hood. So let's take a little guided tour and break down the core components that make this whole engine run. This is really where the magic of enforcing brand consistency at a massive scale comes from. So, the platform is basically built around these 6 key pillars. You've got parts for setting your brand foundation, for AI-powered creation, content storage, approvals, and of course, analytics. Each one is critical for that end-to-end workflow we talked about. We're going to kick things off by looking at the first 3, which are really the foundation of everything.
Now, this is absolutely crucial. GenStudio doesn't just start making things up out of thin air. The whole process begins by setting up the rules of the game. A system manager feeds it your official brand guidelines, the PDFs that detail your tone of voice, your values, even stuff you're not supposed to say. Then you add in your customer personas and your product details. All of this info basically becomes the brain that guides and checks every single piece of content the AI generates.
Okay, and this is where the magic really starts to happen. GenStudio Create is the creative heart of the whole thing. It uses a mix of really powerful AI models. For all your text and ad copy, it's tapping into Microsoft's Azure OpenAI service. For visuals, it's using Adobe's own Firefly, including the latest models for stunningly realistic images. And this is a big deal. Firefly is trained on Adobe's licensed stock library, which means the images it creates are commercially safe to use. So a marketer can just type in a simple prompt, pick a brand, a persona, and a product, and boom. The system instantly spits out multiple on-brand versions of an ad or an email.
So once you've created and approved all this great content, where does it live? It lives in GenStudio content. Think of this as your central library, your single source of truth for the entire company. No more hunting for the latest logo. It stores all your approved assets, templates, the whole shebang. And this is so important because it stops teams from constantly reinventing the wheel. Plus, if you're already using Adobe Experience Manager assets, their big enterprise digital asset manager, GenStudio plugs right into it. Super seamless.
Okay, so we've seen the core components. Now let's see how they all work together in a practical, step-by-step workflow. This is how a real marketing team would actually use GenStudio to take a campaign from a simple idea to a live ad.
The whole process flows really logically. First, you set that foundation with all your brand rules. Then, the creative part begins, where you're generating all those personalized versions at scale. Next, everything goes through a super streamlined review and approval process, which you can hook up to tools like Workfront Proof to make sure everybody signs off.
And finally, you activate the approved content, sending it straight to your paid media channels.
And here, this is what you're actually looking at inside the platform. The Create interface is designed to be super intuitive. You don't have to start with a scary blank page. You can kick things off by picking a channel, like I want to make a meta ad, or I need an email. Or you can start with a pre-approved template, including ones from Adobe Express. It just makes the whole thing accessible and gets you moving fast.
So what happens when you hit that final activate button? Well, GenStudio is deeply integrated with the big ad platforms. For Meta, you can push image and video ads right into your ads manager. For LinkedIn, it supports image and video ads, which is amazing for those targeted B2B campaigns. It's even got a full workflow now for TikTok in-feed video ads. And for email, it connects to Adobe Journey Optimizer, which lets you map out these complex customer journeys. So GenStudio makes the email, and Journey Optimizer sends it to the right person at the right time. That's true omni-channel marketing.
But here's the thing. Launching the campaign is never the end of the road, not even close. The real power of an engine like this is closing the loop, using actual performance data to make your next campaign even smarter.
Right? This is the question that keeps every marketer up at night. It's one thing to launch 20 different ad variations. It's another thing entirely to actually understand which ones connected with your audience, and more importantly, why they connected. This is where GenStudio Insights comes into play. It pulls all the performance data from Meta, LinkedIn, TikTok, and puts it in one dashboard. But here's the killer feature. It uses AI to automatically tag every single ad with creative attributes, like this image has a person in it, or this headline is a question. So you don't just see that ad B beat ad A. You see that ads with human faces and short question-based headlines are crushing everything else. That's real, actionable, creative intelligence. And the impact of working this way? It is absolutely staggering. I mean, look at this. In a real-world study, IBM reported that using Adobe's Gen AI tools took their content production cycle from 2 full weeks down to just 2 days. Let that sink in for a second. That is a massive, massive speed boost. So if that's what's possible today, you have to wonder, where is all this technology going? Let's take a look at what's on the horizon, pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible in marketing.
That drop from 2 weeks to 2 days, well, that translates to a 10-fold productivity increase. 10 times! I mean, when you think about what a creative or marketing team can do with all that time back, it's a complete game changer. It means you can stop focusing on repetitive production tasks and start focusing on high-level strategy and genuine creativity. Now hold on to your hats, because this is where things start to feel a little bit like science fiction. Imagine you could just skip most of the manual steps and just feed the system your core idea, your strategy.
This is the Content Production Agent, and it's currently in beta. You can think of it as a marketing campaign co-pilot. You can literally give it a campaign brief document, tell it your goals in a chat, and the AI agent reads it, understands it, and then automatically generates a whole set of on-brand, ready-to-go creative assets. It's designed to take you from just an idea to a full execution in minutes.
So, what's the big takeaway from all of this? I think the message is pretty clear. Tools like GenStudio are not about replacing human creativity, they're about amplifying it. They automate the boring, repetitive, time-sucking parts of the job so that marketers and creatives can get back to doing what they do best, thinking strategically, telling great stories, and coming up with the next big idea. The future is definitely powered by AI, but it will always be led by human ingenuity.